Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you a trick to germinating your moringa seeds. And I bought this big bag of moringa seeds on Amazon. It was like 10 bucks or something for 1,000 seeds. And here I have a seed sprouting tray. I think I got this on Amazon as well. I'll put links to these in the description if anyone's curious. But I think this was really cheap too, probably like 10 or 15 bucks for all these trays. And you just pour them in just like I did here. And then this is 2 days later. And 2 days later, they've already swelled and cracked open. You can see the little embryos poking out. I'll grab a few of these so you can kind of see what they're doing. But they're pretty much every single one of them is cracked open. So we're looking at 100% germination rate. I'll say 99 point whatever just to be scientific. But yeah, looks like they're pretty much all germinated. It's super simple. Just once a day, you just rinse water through it. Keeps them from getting moldy and gross and keeps them from going anaerobic. Lets oxygen in and fresh water rinses through them, keeping them moist enough to germinate. For a second I thought this one wasn't germinated, but yeah, this one's germinated as well. You can see the little cute little embryo coming out. So each one of these is going to be a moringa tree. So I'll probably put these all over my yard and I'll probably use them for a living trellis. I have a lot of grapevines and I have a bunch of little baby passion fruit vines that are going to be going in the ground soon. And so it'd be super cool to be able to have them climbing, a moringa tree. So maybe I'll have some grape vines climbing moringa trees and passion fruits and other things. And I'll just have these around the yard. And these trees are gorgeous and they're edible. The leaves are edible. The little fruit stalks are edible. And like I said, this is a super easy way to do it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.